As you can see, where am I? Okay, guys, as you can see, I have not went to school. Yeah. So, where's music? Wait a second, where's music? I didn't press the, exit button. Where's music? Where's music? Okay, go to music. Where's music? Run. Principal pose. No thanks, I don't really like the principal anyway. Please leave me alone. Okay, so today's point of view is, well, going to school. Dang, lots of people in the world don't get a chance to go to school. Think I can't? No. Okay, let's go. On. Okay. Let's run now. Where is the music? Where is music? Where is music? This takes so long. Guys, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna just hide in well, the library, I guess.
What's this? It's delicious.
Okay, let's go. Where is music? I've been looking for music for like 8 years. Where is the thing on music? This is join music. Yeah, music. That last one. Oh, I'm trying to ask questions. Oh, am I on top of the... Let's not do that again. Never. Okay. Apparently you can't find where the music class is, so I'm gonna go hide in the library. Can I get some water, please? No? Come on, they basically just got me. Guys, ever seen my wings? See how awesome they are with this red dotted shirt? Go in the computer room. It's analogy. I'm going to make a new YouTube video. Hello, this is Dick Thompson. I'm done. Who is Khalik? I bet he doesn't mean that. Okay, let's turn this thing on. I'm just really too loud. Hello, my name is Gamer. Thank you. Okay, I'm not making videos, so let's just go. Okay, is there downstairs anywhere near? Hey, look, we were downstairs. Well, guys, it looked like I apparently just stumbled down the stairs. Okay, where am I going? I'm going outside because there's nothing to do. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go find me a house. You see how fast I'm running, boys? Boys, I think we have a problem. I don't know what this place is, and I've never been here. Let's go. Okay, what is this? It's the pool. It's something. You got know that? I want you deep in. I want down. Just look at my legs, this little distract. Help. I can't close, guys. I can't. I just give up. Yeah. Guys, I don't. Oh God, there's just a bunch of girls that spawn in here. Oh my lord. Okay, guys, I've never been here. What is this place? How do I get out of here? And where do I go? This is mine. I'm gonna stay here. I've picked mines out. Let's just stand in there because I'm fire. I'm basically literally just hell. Okay, so I think he's putting the fire out, I guess. Hey look, I can roll something. What am I doing? Get me off this place. Those marshmallows. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just say this. Guys, we really need to find a house. I don't even know where we are. Get out my way. Oh my gosh. Are people even allowed to be that big in Roblox? You. How old are you? Okay, I'm going to that. Because right now I can't swim. I'm going to drown. Help. As you can see, I'm not touching anything. You guys, I'm really just flopping into the ocean. Let's just scare this. Okay, get up. Okay guys, let's take diving lessons. Next time we're going to diving school, boys. My fellow homies. Since I'm from one of the previous episodes, I was black. I know that's not it. Ah! Oh no! This cannot be happening. No! This really cannot. This cannot be happening. No, no. But guys, everyone else can't swim. Okay. Hey guys, let's get this. Before I end this video, I want to find a house. Oh look, a car. How do I drive? I'm not sure because I'm on phone right now. I've never been on anything else. Hey look, it's definitely the driving. My first driving lesson. Come on, my first driving lesson. Okay, let's drive. You know, I can't drive. I'm just gonna get Let me go. I'm just gonna with my fast feet, I should be able to run a track. Well guys, there'll be a part 2 in a few seconds. Thank you.